If you've seen our recent videos, then you are well aware we have launched an entire new category of AVCS Cam Gear rebuild tools. Part of that segment is now a new O-Ring. So where does this funky looking O-Ring go? This is a split apart cam gear from Subaru WRX STI. These are the two halves that go together. That seal actually goes in this groove here and seals off the rear rotor housing from the main rotor housing. For example, people in the past have reused seals to mixed results. This seal that I'm holding in front of you has 160-ish thousand miles on inside of an 04 STI. That's actually my boss's car. This version is one that Company23 now molds ourselves. So we've actually re-engineered and recreated the AVCS O-Ring, this funky looking thing. This has never been commercially available from Subaru. It's just not something they offer. So we re-engineered it, we offered it, replaced these old janky things. You don't want those anymore. These have been tested not only in rigorous lab testing, but also in car, so we ensure a quality product. If you're interested in these seals and you're seeing this video, they are available on www.company23.com. Along with our entire suite now of AVCS Cam Gear rebuild tools. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or will this fit my car inquiries, shoot us an email on our website, on our web contact form, or shoot us a message on any one of the social platforms. You know which ones they are. You don't have to hear it from me one more time. Or you can send us an owl. Those are always cool. Harry Potter, what's up? Anyway, thank you for watching. These O-rings are cool, they're available. Save money, rebuild your cam gears, don't replace them. Save Mother Earth, we don't need to bury cam gears. Anyway, I love you, goodbye.